Let's dive right in. Can you share some key strategies that businesses should consider when managing their Amazon seller account?
Absolutely, Siri. Here are three essential strategies businesses should consider. Optimize product listings. It's crucial to create high quality, optimized product listings with detailed descriptions, relevant keywords, and eye catching images. This will improve your product's visibility in search results and increase the chances of attracting potential customers. Monitor inventory levels. Keep a close eye on your inventory levels to avoid stockouts or overstocking. This will ensure you're able to fulfill orders promptly and maintain a high level of customer satisfaction. Utilize advertising and promotions. Take advantage of Amazon's advertising tools and promotional opportunities to boost your product's visibility and drive sales. Experiment with various strategies such as sponsored products, sponsored brands, and lightning deals to find what works best for your business.
Great tips, Priya. Can you tell us more about how BUYMARG's Amazon seller account management services can support businesses in implementing these strategies and managing their accounts effectively?
Sure, Siri. At BUYMARG, we offer a comprehensive suite of Amazon seller account management services to help businesses navigate the platform and maximize their success. Our experienced consultants work closely with businesses to manage and optimize various aspects of their Amazon seller account, including product listings, inventory management, advertising, and promotions. We also provide ongoing support, monitoring, and analysis, enabling businesses to make data-driven decisions and continually refine their strategies for improved performance. By partnering with BUYMARG, businesses can benefit from our expertise and focus their efforts on other critical aspects of running their online store.
It sounds like BUYMARG offers an extensive range of services for businesses looking to manage their Amazon seller accounts effectively. Before we wrap up, Priya, do you have any final pieces of advice for our listeners?
Yes, Siri. My main advice would be to always stay informed and updated on Amazon's policies, guidelines, and best practices. This will help you maintain a strong account standing and avoid potential issues down the line. And if you're looking for expert assistance in managing your Amazon seller account, don't hesitate to reach out to a trusted service provider like BUYMARG.
Thank you, Priya, for sharing your valuable insights on Amazon seller account management services and the benefits they offer to businesses selling on Amazon. And to our listeners, thank you for tuning into the E-commerce Conversations podcast. To learn more about BUYMARG and their Amazon seller account management services, visit their website at www.buymarg.com.
Thank you, Siri. It's been a pleasure discussing Amazon seller account management with you and your listeners. Remember, effective account management is essential for success on the platform, so stay informed and seek expert assistance when needed.
Thank you, Priya. That's it for today's episode of Expert Tips and Tricks for Managing Your Amazon Seller Account, Insights from BUYMARG. Don't forget to subscribe to our podcast for more insightful discussions on everything e-commerce. And if you enjoyed today's episode, please leave us a review and share it with your friends and colleagues. Until next time, I'm Siri, signing off. Keep selling, keep growing, and stay ahead in the e-commerce game. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.